All right, I've had a mirror problem on my Road Glide for a while now, and I'm finally doing something about it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new to the channel, which is just about everyone because the channel is pretty new, I've got 4 bikes. I've got the Road Glide, I've got the Pan America Special, the Heritage Softail Classic, and the Triumph Thruxton. I put out content on all of these bikes, so if you're interested, please like, please subscribe to follow along. But today, I'm talking about the Road Glide and what I'm doing about these mirrors. So this is the issue. See all the chipping on the mirrors? I can't deal with it anymore. I'm sick of it. All right, JP Cycles, let's get into this. All right, we got our stickers. Bam, 1 mirror and 2nd mirror. Mini Stalker forged mirror. Let's open these things up. We've got hardware and mirror. Let's see. So this is the right mirror. Let's hope this one is the left. It is. So initial impressions. They are small, which I guess I knew from the name and the measurements. Wait a second. There are a couple little blemishes right here, which I don't like at all. I'm definitely not thrilled about that. This one is totally fine, so that's good. So the question is, do I keep it or do I exchange it? I'm going to exchange it. They're pretty small marks, but you buy something brand new, you don't want it marked up before you even install it. So going back to JP Cycles, going to get a new one. All right, that was fast. Good job, JP Cycles. Now let's see if this is better. Yep, looks good. This one is blemish free. All right, let's get these on the bike and see what they look like. Let's take these off half inch. Mirrors are installed. Let's take it for a test ride.
All right, let's check these things out. All right, let's see, first impressions. Again, they just aesthetically look a little bit small on this bike. I mean, this is a big bike, big fairing, big front wheel, stretched out. These mirrors are just aesthetically look a little bit disproportionately small on this bike, in my opinion. Now we'll take a look at visibility. I can tell already the quality of the mirrors is good. Image is clear. I mean, I've had some mirrors. I had some mirrors on my Heritage, little round mirrors. They were awful. I mean, you couldn't see anything behind you, not just because of the size, but because the quality of the mirror was really low. Everything was distorted. These are clear. It's definitely a quality mirror. And I have to say, despite the size, visibility is pretty good. Can you see? Definitely see what's behind you. I mean, aesthetically, it's definitely better than having these completely chipped mirrors I had before. See if I can get used to just them looking a little bit small on this bike. Maybe it's just me. Let me know what you think. I'm much happier than I thought I'd be. My bias was honestly that I was going to return these once I had them installed. I did not think I was going to like them, but I actually really do. All right, so that shows you that you never really know until you get on the bike and take it for a little while. Alright guys, so I'm almost home. That's going to wrap it up for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, please hit like and subscribe. I've got a bunch more videos coming across all 4 of my bikes. This one, the Heritage, the Pan America, and the Thruxton. So appreciate you, and see you on the next one.